Ever wondered how those massive metal birds stay up in the sky? Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of aviation. Today, we're going to explore how airplanes fly. To understand how airplanes fly, we need to start with the basics of aerodynamics. Key principles that make flight possible are lift, thrust, drag, and weight. Lift is the force that raises the airplane into the sky. It's generated by the wings, specifically their shape and angle, known as an airfoil. An airfoil has a curved upper surface and a flatter lower surface. As air flows over and under the wing, the pressure difference creates lift. Thrust is the force that propels the airplane forward. This is usually provided by engines, whether they're jet engines or propellers. The engines create thrust by expelling air or exhaust backwards, which pushes the plane forward due to Newton's third law of motion. Drag is the resistance force that opposes the airplane's forward motion. It's caused by air friction and pressure differences. Engineers design airplanes to be as aerodynamic as possible, minimize drag, and improve efficiency. Weight is the force of gravity pulling the airplane down towards the Earth. For an airplane to fly, the lift must be greater than or equal to the weight. This balance allows the plane to stay in the air. So how do these forces work together? During flight, pilots and engineers carefully balance lift, thrust, drag, and weight. For example, during takeoff, thrust and lift must overcome drag and weight. In steady flight, lift equals weight and thrust equals drag. Airplanes also have control surfaces like ailerons, elevators, and rudders. These are critical for maneuvering and maintaining stability. Ailerons control roll, elevators control pitch, and rudders control yaw. Advances in technology continue to shape how airplanes fly. From more efficient engines and advanced materials to sophisticated avionics, these innovations make flying safer, more efficient, and environmentally friendly. And there you have it, the incredible science of how airplanes defy gravity and soar through the skies. Remember, the next time you're flying, you're witnessing the perfect balance of lift, thrust, drag, and weight in action. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of aviation.